What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Samuele Innocentini, and today we're headed to Gyro Park. It's a location close to the University of Victoria, and there's a Japanese car meet, so a bunch of imports, and it should be a pretty major event. It should be fun. So we just met with Derek here.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
And yeah, I really like your car here, man. So
thank you, man.
what have you done on it?
So it's a 350Z that I brought in from Japan. They call them the Fair Lady Z over there. Yep. It's a 2004, and the engine's mostly stock. I just have an air intake, and then just all the suspension modifications, coilovers, camber arms, toe arms. I redid all the bushings, so it handles really, really nicely now. And then just tires and rims, brakes as well, two-piece rotors.
Yeah.
With the factory Brembos. And I've got Stop Tech pads.
Pretty nice. And yeah, you said this is import. Obviously, we got right-hand drive.
Yeah,
here.
so it's right-hand drive.
And there's the rule of 15 years for
15-year
Canada,
rule,
right?
yeah.
Is it 25 for US? I'm pretty
25 for US, yeah. I know.
I'm sorry for you guys, but yeah. Sorry, but we only get the good stuff here, guys.
Exactly.
So yeah, very, very nice. And
hey, thanks.
Almost tricky here. I thought he had like some purple color. I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but he's just parked beside this cool purple here, so it was reflecting here, shining a bit.
That's cool.
Nice. Thanks for showing us.
Oh yeah, thank you, man. Thanks.
Nice spoiler there.
Thanks.
This is a parking job done right here. Look at that. Just met with Jordan here. very cool guy here, and he's got this very nice car. Tell us a bit about it, man.
So this is it's a 1990 240SX coupe. I bought it completely stock. It's still a work in progress. I've done all the body work, thrown the kit on it, did all the suspension and arms and stuff, new wheels. Basically at this point it's just sitting ready for a motor, but for the time being it cruises just fine. So
yeah, I really like the paint job on this one here, and the rims are an interesting choice we were talking about.
Yeah, no, they're totally different style for this car, but I thought I'd try something different, just like the color, right? I want to stick out a little differently than everybody else.
Man, that's the whole point, make it yours, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, I think they go well, man. Just left the Japanese imports kind of event, Gyro Park, and I know there's another European car meet happening in Oak Bay at Oak Bay Marina, so we're just heading there and checking out what they have in store for us. Very beautiful spec on this one, I really like it, and we got a nice Porsche, red Porsche coming up here. Porsche GT3, we got older one here, and we got beautiful Mclaren.
I mentioned when I took it to my aunt 2 weeks ago, and he said, oh, they've upgraded that part.
Beautiful Jaguar, and we got Ferrari. Nice Ferrari, beautiful. That was a cold start of a Mclaren 720S. I just met the owner, Bill, very nice guy, and yeah, it was pretty cool encounter. But yeah, it's pretty fun. There's quite a few cars here. I wasn't expecting it. I haven't been at this meet before, so and I saw Adrian before. You guys can see the Audi there, and we got some Porsches, GT3 RS, we got another McLaren 570, and we got a nice Ferrari as well. So.
I just took a picture to send it to him.
500 horse, 500 horse.
You know, a new one.
That was that. Ferrari California just left, and yeah, I spoke with the owner, Doug. Pretty cool guy, and maybe we'll be making a video with him. I'm not sure, but it's been pretty good so far. It's a beautiful Sunday. Oh, I love Oak Bay Marina. It's a beautiful location. It's a beautiful view of the water there. I just heard that Noah has an RS3 to review, so I'm heading to the Audi dealership right now, and we'll check the car out. It should be pretty fun. He said it's a track one they use up at the racetrack in Duncan, so should be pretty fun to cruise around with that. So we'll give it a look.